1 over 9 times 9 gives us 1. And 9 divided by this. 9 divided by 1 minus 9. 9 divided by 1 gives us 9. And 9 minus 9 equals 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. Multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And also, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. Okay, so first this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Nine divided by 1 over 9. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 9 times 9, and again times 9 minus 9. No, 9 times 9 gives us 81, and 81 times 9 minus 9. 81 times 9, 9 times 1 gives us 9, and 9 times 8 equals 72. So 729 minus 9, which equals 720. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 720.